Hey guys, today I'm going to make a green chili sausage dip. It has kind of a play on jalapeno poppers, but I'm using the green chilies and just a few, very few jalapenos for a little mild heat. I'm using cream cheese, and yes, it was previously frozen, but it's still going to come out just like it was fresh. So I'm going to give you a close-up just so you can see. You can freeze and thaw cream cheese. I know, you're shook, right? So I'm going to use this Jimmy Dean breakfast sausage, this regular sausage that I had left. I'm going to fry this up in my pan. I have a little tiny, I don't know, maybe 1 or 2 quart slow cooker. That's what I'm going to do, so hold tight. Okay guys, I'm going to start the sausage first. So I'm spraying my avocado oil. I'm going to add my sausage and then just cook it up really quickly. It shouldn't take long at all. Okay guys, I'm back. The sausage is fully cooked through. I just put it aside in this this glass dish that I have. And off camera, I diced up the few jalapenos. And I'm gonna add this right to the green chilies. And get this out of the way. So I'm going to move my crock pot forward. So first I'm going to add in, I want you to be able to see this. First I'm going to add in the cream cheese. This is about 10 ounces. You can just use a pack of cream cheese. I'm adding the sausage and the juices. Next, the green chilies and the jalapenos with the liquid from the can. Oh, there was a little left. And maybe a little teaspoon of water. It's not necessary, but cream cheese is really thick, so some water would be good. So I'm going to mix this around until everything is combined. And we're going to rock this on high for 1.5 hours. So I'll bring you guys back in 1 hour and 30 minutes. Hey guys, I'm back. It's been about 2 hours. Actually, it's been exactly 2 hours. On high in the slow cooker. So this is what, let me bring you in for close up. This is what it's looking like. Right now, the dip is a little loose, but as it cools, it'll set. So everything is nice and creamy. I am going to add in a 1/4 cup of mozzarella just to add into the creaminess. And now I'm going to add some black pepper and a little bit of salt. The cream cheese seemed to be salty already. So here's the black pepper. Maybe 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. And a little, maybe a pinch of onion powder. So we're just gonna stir this in. I could have put that stuff in earlier, but it really doesn't need much at all. So let me move the slow cooker out of the way. Okay, now I am going to scoop all of the dip mixture. Remember, this has cream cheese, sausage, green chilies, and just a few jalapenos with very little seeds. I try to avoid the seeds because I ain't about that life. So I'm just gonna sprinkle a little parsley just for the aesthetic, and that's about it. So since I am keto, you can always eat these with, I don't know if you can see this, let me move this, pork rinds or cheese crisps, but I'm not a cheese lover. Just to give you a peek, I can sit a few pork rinds in there, and that's about it. I hope you try it. I hope you like it. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching.